This is the POSVIU Flame Effect Humidifier with Bluetooth speaker. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the manual for it, an additional manual. Here is the unit itself. Power adapter, plugs into a regular US outlet and has a barrel jack connector, and they give you a remote. So like the title suggests, this is a flame effect humidifier with Bluetooth speaker. It's a humidifier, and it makes a flame effect. It does that via a series of lights. I'll show you that in a little bit. And you can turn that on or off. There's an additional light also, which I will also show you as such. The tank in here holds 450 milliliters of water. It has an auto out detector, so if it runs out of water, it'll stop for you. So no worries on that. The lights can be changed to any of 7 different colors, and it also has a bottom white light for ambiance. And there are also 3 mist levels that you can have from the humidifier. It also has a Bluetooth speaker built in, of course, and we're going to test that out. It has a 1, 3, or 6 hour timer, and also a white noise generator. So very simply, the top comes off like that. Then you have this piece, nice finger guides here to let you pull that right off. You can see the lights there. You pour the water in here, not in the hole, just in here. And that is going to show you right there the max line. You're also going to be able to see that through the sides, which is a nice touch. You got buttons on here to run it, but you also have the remote. And then you plug it in. The connector is on the back. I'm sorry, on the bottom rather. Right there, and there's feet on it, so it'll come out from the bottom without any problem. So let's go ahead and put some water in this and test it out. So let's go ahead and put some water in here, like that. Up to the max line, that's good right there. And then you put this on. Just like that, just fits in there. And the cover, like that. We get power over here. We'll go ahead and turn it on. Okay, it's on. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's a flame effect right there. I'll get you a better shot of that later on. In general, I don't crack the manuals open, so we're going to press buttons here. The good news is there is no self-destruct button. So you're not going to hurt anything. Just keep pressing buttons there. So we'll try the top one. Changes color. So red, green, and blue so far that I see. We'll try the next button. That looks like brightness. Okay, that turned the top light out. Bottom light is on. Now you can have just the top light. You may in fact be able to see the mist even better right now. So that's pretty nice. And if we press again, the lights go out, but the mist keeps going. Press again and you could cycle through whatever lights you want, like that. Alright, so that works good. And we'll try the next one. Brightness of the bottom. 3 levels. That may actually control the mist also, because I'm hearing that with it. That's on the max right now, which is pretty good. And if I press the one above that, yeah, so the light at the bottom is going to show you the different levels of mist based on the brightness of it, which you can also see, but, you know, and then you can turn that light out if you want. Okay, so that's all good. And what else do we have? We have the timer. Oh, I'm sorry, the white noise. Sounds kind of like water and birds. So we're just pressing buttons here to make it do stuff, really is all it is, which is all you're going to do. Alright, that all works right there. Let's try the Bluetooth out. So now in Bluetooth, there it is, PCXC600. And indeed, we are connected. So now we're connected Bluetooth. And before I get into that, I wanted to also mention, when we did the red, green, and blue, you saw that it went again back to this red and kind of faded on. Well, if you wait there, it's going to change to different colors. So there you go there. Let's play the music. Let's wake the phone up here. Well, it doesn't go too loud. It kind of cuts out. It's happy at this volume. But the effect is nice. So you got that. You got your volume on here, but again, we found that doesn't work too well with that. And that's what it does. Let's get a better shot of what it looks like there. I'll stop the music because it's copyright free and nobody likes copyright free music. And there is the flame effect that you came for. You see, it's just mist. But that'll humidify the room. Looks really cool. You do different colors. And that'll change color like that, so everything will change in unison up here. And you have that bottom light you could turn on as well. So I'm going to contact the seller and see what's up with the Bluetooth speaker, but otherwise I love the effect of it, and I'm not really interested in the speaker much myself because of what it is. So anyway, that's that. If you want to purchase this, I'm going to leave a link in the video description where you can find this item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.